Sioux Falls murder trial remains on track to start later this month in Lincoln County. Jimmy Ledbetter Jr. is accused of murdering his wife, Angie Scholl, 1 year ago this month, not long after she filed for divorce. Last week, the state requested a psychiatric exam after learning that the defense planned to pursue an insanity plea with no expert witness. But today, Ledbetter returned to court, and the judge determined that an expert witness is not necessary for an insanity plea. And jury selection will still begin October 23rd. Following that decision, the state called multiple witnesses who are familiar with the relationship between the victim and the suspect. KELOLAND Cindy Hoyer sat in on today's proceedings.
5 witnesses testified in court today, including family members of Angie Scholl. The couple's son testified, describing his father's behavior towards his mom as abusive. He said Scholl paid for everything, and he'd never seen his dad keep a job for longer than a week. Their son also said that when his parents got into arguments, his father would take the car keys and keep them away from Scholl so she couldn't leave the house. 2 teachers from an elementary school that the couple's grandson attended also took the stand. They say Jimmy Ledbetter asked them odd questions on the day Scholl died, including, quote, "What would you do if you came home and found your significant other in bed with someone else?" When one of the teachers said she would tell them to leave, Ledbetter responded, quote, "So you wouldn't retaliate?" In that same conversation, they say Ledbetter also asked if they would convict a person who put their hands on someone for cheating if they were on a jury. The judge also heard about a jail phone call between Ledbetter and his ex-wife. A detective testified that Ledbetter talked about waiting outside of a hospital where Scholl claimed to have an appointment. He watched her drive there and turn around to go meet with her divorce lawyer. When Ledbetter called Scholl to ask where she was, she told him she was at her appointment. In Lincoln County, Cindy Hoyer, KELOLAND News.
Scholl's mom testified as well, recalling the final phone conversations that she had with her daughter before Scholl's death.